You heard the rumors, you have seen the leaks, you have wondered what next will wonder no more. Because in this video we are going to reveal everything you need to know about Windows 12, the next generation of Microsoft operating system that's going to change everything. Yes, you heard that's right. Windows 12 is coming and it's coming sooner than you think. But what will it look like, what it will do, and how will it affect you? Stay tuned, we are about to point out. Windows 12 is the code name for the upcoming version of Windows that's Microsoft reportedly working on. According to reliable sources, the official name and release date have not been announced yet, but some insiders suggest that it could be launched as early as June 2024. That's right, just 3 years after Windows 11, which was released in October 2021. Why so soon, you may ask? Well, there are several reasons for that, and we'll get to them in a moment. But first, let's take a look at what Windows 12 will look like. Microsoft has already shown a glimpse of the new Windows desktop interface at its Ignite conference in October 2022. The image was briefly displayed on a screen, showing a redesigned taskbar, operating search bar, a weather widget in a system icons moved to the top right corner. The design is similar to Windows 11, but with some change that make it look more modern and minimalist. Some people compared it to Mac OS, which also have system icon in the top right corners. But is this the final design of Windows 12 or just a prototype? We don't know for sure, but we can expect more change and improvement as the development progresses. One of the most exciting features of Windows 12 is the integration of artificial intelligence throughout the operating system. According to some leaks, Windows 12 will have AI-powered features that will make it smarter, faster, and more personalized. For example, Windows 12 will be able to learn from your behaviors and preferences and adapt to your needs and habits. It will also be able to optimize your system performance, security, and battery life based on your use patterns and scenarios. Windows 12 will also be able to understand your voice, gestures, and facial expressions and interact with you in a more natural and intuitive way. Imagine being able to control your PC with just your voice or unlock it with just your face, or even have a conversation with Cortana, your personal assistant. That's the power of UI. That's what Windows 12 will bring to you. Another major change in Windows 12 is the modular system design, which will make it more flexible and adaptable to different devices and platforms. Windows 12 will be based on a core operating system called Windows Core OS, which will be the foundation for all Windows variants, such as Windows 12 Home Pro, Enterprise, and so on. Windows Core OS will also be the basis for other Windows products such as Windows 10X, Windows 11X, Windows 12X, and so on, which are designed for dual screen and foldable devices such as a Surface New and Surface Duo. Windows Core OS will also be compatible with other type of devices such as tablets, laptops, desktop, gaming consoles, mixed reality headsets, and even smartphones. Yes, you heard that's right. Microsoft is rumored to be working on a new smartphone project, codenamed Andromeda, which will run on Windows Core OS and have a foldable design. This could be Microsoft comeback to the smartphone market after the pillar of Windows Phone and Windows 10 Mobile. But will it be able to compete with Android or and iOS, which dominates the mobile industry? We'll have to wait and see. Windows 12 will also have a new update cadence, which will make it more stable and reliable. Microsoft is planning to release a major update for Windows every 3 years instead of every year, as it did with Windows 10 and Windows 11. This will give to Microsoft more time to test and polish the update and avoid bugs and issues that plague in some of the previous releases. Microsoft will also release minor update every 6 months, which will include security patches, bug fixes, and performance improvement. This update will be delivered through Windows Update and will be installed automatically unless you choose to pause or debate them. Microsoft will also offer a subscription service for Windows 12, which will give you access to premium features such as cloud storage, Office 365, Xbox Game Pass, and more. The subscription will also ensure that you always have the latest and greatest version of Windows without having to pay for upgrade or license. However, if you don't want to pay for a subscription, you can still use Windows 12 for free but with some limitation and ads. So there you have it, everything you need to know about Windows 12, the next generation of Microsoft operating system that's going to change everything. Windows 12 is expected to be released in June 2024. In the meantime, let me know what you think about Windows 12 in the comment below. Do you like the new design, the AI features, the modular system, the update cadence, and the subscription service? Or do you prefer Windows 11 or even Windows 10? I love to hear your opinion and feedback. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.